Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today's journey takes us deep into the heart of artificial intelligence as we explore three powerful tools that every aspiring data scientist should have in their arsenal. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the term given to computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks range from speech recognition to recommendation systems, and AI is the powerhouse behind many of the services we use every day. Now let's meet the stars of the show. First up is TensorFlow. This versatile open-source library developed by Google is a favorite among data scientists. It's packed with features from deep learning models to neural networks and offers GPU acceleration. Its use cases are broad, covering everything from image classification to natural language processing and time series forecasting. Next we have PyTorch. This tool, backed by Facebook, is quickly becoming a go-to for researchers and developers. It boasts dynamic computation graphs, easy debugging, and strong community support. Whether it's for research experiments, transfer learning, or creating custom neural architectures, PyTorch is up to the task. Last but not least, we have Scikit-Learn, a Python library for machine learning. Its simple and consistent API, wide range of algorithms, and top-notch documentation make it a favorite. It's ideal for classification, regression, and clustering. Once you've installed these libraries, the world is your oyster. Explore sample datasets, try out basic models, and start experimenting. Today we've shown you how to load data using Scikit-Learn, build a simple neural network with TensorFlow, and train a model with PyTorch. These three tools, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-Learn, are the cornerstones of any AI toolkit. They are powerful, versatile, and will open up a world of possibilities for any aspiring data scientist. So, don't be shy, dive in, start exploring, and see where these tools can take you. Before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more AI content. The world of artificial intelligence is vast and exciting, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you. Until next time.